everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done. Are you ready for some phonics today? Shall we say hello to Snowy first? Can you say hello, Snowy? Snowy, have you got some things in your box for us today? Oh, he has, boys and girls. Are you ready to find out what's inside Snowy's box? Are you ready to sing with me? Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, box is moving. Oh, there's something quite big and heavy in here, boys and girls. Do you know what this is? Can you see? It's white, and I'm going to open the lid. Got to go very strong. Looks a bit like cream, but it's actually yogurt, and you might eat some that's flavoured, so it might be pink, it might be purple, or it might be white. So yogurt, my turn. Yogurt, your turn. My turn again. Yogurt, your turn again. Well done, everybody. So the first thing in Snowy's box, it's very cold, which is nice because the weather is very hot today, is yogurt. I wonder what else is in Snowy's box. Are you ready to find out? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, not sure if you'll know what these are, boys and girls. They're socks, but they're special socks. They are yoga socks. That's the writing on here. Yoga socks. So you can put your toes into each one, and they have these little special grips on them to stop you from sliding around. My turn. Yoga socks. Your turn. My turn again. Yoga socks. Your turn again. Well done. So in Snowy's box today, we've had yogurt, yoga socks. I think there's only one more thing in Snowy's box. Are you ready to find out what it is? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's very light. Now, I'm not sure whether you will know what this is, but this is a Yu-Gi-Oh card. A Yu-Gi-Oh card. So that's what it looks like on the back. Yu-Gi-Oh. It's a type of cartoon. Some of the children that are a little bit older sometimes watch it, and your brothers and sisters might watch it, or your cousins might watch it, your friends might watch it, so you might have seen it. Yu-Gi-Oh card. My turn. Yu-Gi-Oh card. Your turn. Yu-Gi-Oh card. My turn again. Yu-Gi-Oh card. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. So in Snowy's box today, we had a Yu-Gi-Oh card, some yoga socks, and some nice cold yogurt. So let's pop these on top of Snowy's box. Put Snowy on top of his box as well, so everything stays nice and safe. And let's have a look at our sound for today. So our sound for today was y. And look at how Miss Rani makes that sound. Y. My mouth stays open a little bit. Y. And my tongue stays behind my bottom teeth. Y. Y. The sound comes from the back of your throat. It's a bit of a tricky one. Have a go at it, but more importantly, look for things that might start with the y sound, like Miss Rani's yellow pencil. So have a think. If you see anything, let anybody in your family know. Let's have a look then. for some really good phonics today. Let's do some clicking. Ready? Well done me. Remember, you can click by pressing your fingers and thumb together like Miss Rani, or you can click. Either one. Should we do it again? Well done me. Well done, everyone. So that's our session for today. Remember, only one video a day, and I'll see you again soon. I think we've only have one more video in this set left. Okay, so can you say bye bye Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done. Can you say bye bye everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, everyone.